Executive summaries are essential for communicating key insights quickly and effectively. This presentation provides a variety of executive summary design layouts tailored for different business contexts. We categorize them into 5 sections: executive summaries for corporate reporting, departmental reporting, project management, corporate strategy, and proposals. Before we get into it, here is your reminder to visit our website and explore more templates and business resources. You'll find a wide section of tools to enhance your presentations and streamline your workflow. And without further ado, let's jump into the template. An investor report's executive summary is a snapshot of a company's financial health, growth performance, and strategic direction. Since investor reports target shareholders, potential investors, and analysts, the executive summary should give them a quick but still well-rounded view of the business' general performance and financial standing. Key components typically include key highlights, financial metrics, operational achievements, and strategic outlooks. For quarterly reports, the executive summary is like a time capsule for a given period's financial performance, strategic initiatives, challenges, and future projection. In this design, the executive summary slide starts with a short summary about the quarter. It then enumerates the key strategic initiatives the company undertook in that quarter, its revenue across different regions, and its monthly income. If you need more room to fit in more information, consider this executive summary layout that first highlights the company's strategic initiatives, challenges and risk mitigation, and the future outlook. It then proceeds to discuss specific operational milestones, financial performance metrics, and market achievements. Similarly, we also have executive summary designs for annual reports, which encompasses a long period of time. When it comes to sustainability reports, this executive summary slide should communicate the organization's efforts in ESG and social responsibility. This summary is aimed at investors, regulatory bodies, customers, and any stakeholder interested in sustainability impact. The top portion of this design highlights the company's sustainability achievements, and the bottom portion outlines upcoming sustainability goals. If you need to present in multiple languages, use our AI-powered translator to adapt this executive summary to your audience's preferred language, ensuring clarity and consistency across global teams. Now let's move on into some executive summary designs that are made for specific teams and departments. A marketing plan's executive summary outlines the business's approach to brand positioning, customer acquisition, and promotional activities. To achieve this, the user can include information about key marketing strategies, their budget allocations, and performance expectations. Additionally, discussions about market trends and revenue forecasts share insights into expected growth. We also have a multi-slide version for the marketing plan executive summary, which divides the summary into 7 key sections: the introduction, company and team, marketing trends, product services, customer base, marketing activities, and marketing financials. Another useful document for the marketing department is the market research report. In this case, the executive summary displays key findings from consumer to competitive analysis to inform business decisions. And each recommendation is linked to potential upsides such as revenue growth, cost reductions, or increased market share. In a sales report, the executive summary slide evaluates past performance and sets priorities for continued expansion. It can share revenue status, growth metrics, and key initiatives. Now, where room is allowed, it can also include a roadmap for the broader sales strategy. The product team executive summary slide should communicate what problem the product is addressing. The North Star metrics to evaluate product success, the budget allocation needed for its go-to market, and the target audience the product serves. If you already have a mock-up of how this product should look like, you can also add that to the slide as a visual reference over here, along with its main technical features. Alternatively, this product launch executive summary gives more options to list the financial impact of a product launch. For example, revenue projection, gross margin, break-even point, and market opportunity. It then transitions to list more specifics about noteworthy functionalities or features that make the product attractive. This project management executive summary can be used for any department or team functions. So to kick off a new project, the project proposal executive summary shares the new initiative's key objectives, tentative timeline, financial requirements, and expected benefits. Since this document is used to secure approval from stakeholders and decision makers, it's also helpful to have a call to action area to clearly state what the project team needs to get the ball rolling. For ongoing endeavors, the project status executive summary gives stakeholders an update on project progress, achievements, and challenges. If space is permitted, you can include timeline and milestones to track where the team has fulfilled deadlines and project goals. Now, the lessons learned area captures takeaways from execution, such as success areas that can be replicated in the future or areas for improvement. And now we move on to executive summaries designed to showcase business strategies. The corporate strategy executive summary begins with 3 top strategic objectives, followed by a smaller initiatives to support those objectives. It also enumerates the financial impact of these strategic decisions and the qualitative benefits they might bring to the organization. A case study executive summary highlights a business challenge, the strategic solution implemented, and the key outcomes achieved. A visual representation of performance trends, such as revenue growth over time or improved profitability, proves the effectiveness of the strategy. For proposals of all kinds, the goal of the executive summary is to persuade the audience to provide you with the resources you need for your projects. For consultants, the executive summary of the consulting proposal shares a structured plan to address the client's business needs or challenges. The goal is to explain how the consulting engagement will create value for the client. The phased approach breaks down the consulting engagement into stages. The expected outcomes detail how these consulting initiatives can accelerate clients' objectives or resolve their issues. A business pitch executive summary shares the startup's vision, problem-solution fit, and financial potential. It is designed to attract investors and partners. It is essentially a condensed version of a full pitch deck. By the way, we have a variety of business pitch deck templates if you're interested in checking them out. This summary starts with an overview of the business model, the problem and solution statements, and team overview. It then gets into more details about marketing and sales strategy and financial attractions. And finally, the call to action in this case is the amount of funding the startup is seeking and what is it going to be used for. And that wraps up our executive summary presentation. Whether you're reporting financials, outlining project updates, or pitching new ideas, these templates provide a professional and structured way to communicate key points. Explore the full template library on UXEC website, where you can download these slides and customize them to fit your needs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.